Welcome, in front of me is an LG K51s, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So when you get started by powering on the device, you will see the welcome screen where you get to choose your language. So select your desired language from here. I'm going to stick with the one that there is, that is selected by default, and then tap on the arrow. Then on the next page you can select if you want to see that cut out for the camera, or would you rather have it look like this. Personally, I'd rather have the cut out rather than part of the screen being black, so just a personal preference here. Then insert SIM card. Now this step is completely optional and you can do that right now or later. It won't really change anything. The moment you insert it, your card, it will just work as it was always there. So let's skip that for now. Then we have ability to connect to Wi-Fi if we want to, so we just check this on and then select our Wi-Fi from the list. So for instance, I can select this one and then connect, and you can see it's connecting right now, and there we go, we're now connected. So you can tap on next, and this will later on allow us to connect to our Google account if we choose to. Now here we can copy our data from an old device, so basically a restore of the old device to the new one. I'm gonna select don't copy and in terms set it up as a new. And then, as I said, we can now log into our Google account. Now I'm gonna skip this, don't really feel like doing that. Just a little bit of a waste of time. Once you log in, basically rest is almost the same anyway. Then we have date and time settings. Now it actually looks like it's correct. So the location is correct, the date and time is also correct, so I don't have to change anything. And let's go to next. Google services, so we have use location, allow scanning, and send user and diagnostic data. Now you can read furthermore what they exactly do. And then if you want, deselect them. Tap on accept at the bottom. And here, secure your phone. So you can set a pattern, PIN, password, and also a fingerprint, which looks like there it is on the back. The sensor. So you can choose either one or both of them. Now you cannot have only a fingerprint. That's because if something happens to your finger, gets scratched, cut or something like that, then you won't really have a finger to unlock the phone with. So you need also another way of unlocking. Now I'm gonna set up a pattern. So let's go to pattern, secure startup. Now this is complete preference. I like to not have it. What it does is when the device is booting up, it will tell you that you need to put in a pattern, in my case, before it actually boots into Android. And then once it does, you still have to put it once more to get to the device to unlock it. So this is just kind of like a one additional time you need to put in a pattern for no reason, which I just prefer to not have. So let's draw the pattern, tap next, redraw the same pattern, confirm. And now we have set the pattern. Then set your location, so you can select either EU or other. And then legal documents, so select the first one on the top that you agree. This will in turn select everything. Now you can also deselect the ones, for instance the optional ones. They're not necessary for you to agree if you don't want to. Only the first two are. So the EU, LA, user agreement, and the privacy policy. And from there, tap on done, and you should be then on the home screen. So that is how you set up your device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.